step into the 2012 Nissan Altima. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include child safety locks, anti-lock braking system, ABS, side airbag system, auto express down window, tachometer, traction control system, center console, air conditioning, and adjustable headrests. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.